Okay, this is the video I'm referring to right here that was made in 2011. I'll give you the link to that. It's listed under deck and house roof projects. So apparently there's a series here. Good morning. I'm making this quick little video. One of my viewers couldn't find the 2011 video of the roof project that was done by the roofers, and there was 6 guys doing the job, and I recorded it on a standard definition camcorder. I'm going to present the link here. It took me a hell of a long time to find it because I never know what I name these videos, and if you don't name them correctly, trying to find a video on your own channel is impossible. So Tommy helped me with that, and of course when it comes to that stuff he's much better at it. So I'm going to present that link here on this video, and it'll give you an idea, for those of you who have not seen it, that a lot of this roofing on the edge, almost the entire length, had to be replaced because it's all OSB crapboard and it got wet. So yes, it was $6,600. $600 of that was the skylight. I know they probably paid $300 for the skylight, if even that, and they mark it up $300. But you know, that's the way it is. You're at the mercy of a construction company, so there's nothing they can do about it. You just got to pay the price or do it yourself. So at the time, I put tar paper, you know, or oilcloth, whatever you want to call it, on the porch roof, and built that, and then the roofers came and put the shingles on. So anyways, that's the story there. I just figured I'd throw this video out here for you, using the Kodak PlaySport, and I set it up to 720p on this particular video, but this camera doesn't do all as good as the ZE-1. But I just wanted to throw this video out to you so you can plainly see that I spent $6,600, but those guys work for it. There's 6 men on the roof at the time. Now that's a whole series. Apparently I added it with the deck project too. So this particular section that I gave you the link to is part 6. If you want to see the entire thing, I'm sure you can find it from there. Okay, enough of the chatter. Good luck finding it. And you'll plainly see that, you know, it wasn't just a matter of them taking the old shingles off and putting in new. They had to replace some of the rotted and broken 2x2 trusses. That's what it is on the trailer, 2x2s. So, you know, and they had to do it on both sides. This side, I believe, was a lot worse. And they replaced it with some plywood and some of the OSB and so forth also. And they covered up the skylight in the kitchen that we originally had. Originally this house had 2 skylights, one that you can probably see over there, and then the other side they had one over the kitchen sink. But that would have been another $600, and we elected not to have that replaced. So they just went over it with plywood and shingles. So that's what happened there. Okay, that's it. Just wanted to give you an update because I know I'm still getting people that's saying that I paid too much for the roof. Well, that's the cost of, you know, when you got a big crew and they do it all in one day. So maybe you can get somebody cheaper that will take a week to do the roof. I don't know.